Hello, my name's Joe Johnson. I've been treating people with respiratory problems for over 25 years. And in the last 15 years or so, I have been seeing lung conditions that I couldn't normally classify. In the past, I've treated people with COPD and bronchitis, emphysema, and offered them a great deal of relief and support. My own father had COPD, and helping him with herbs and homeopathy, we got him many extra years of life. But recently, we've seen the emergence of a condition that is called chemtrail lung, or chemtrail cough, or chemtrail flu. Now, the fact that it's called chemtrail cough or chemtrail lung is because it's not a specific recognized condition by the medical authorities, because nobody is owning up to the release of toxins or heavy metals or nanoparticles or whatever it is. But something is happening to irritate and possibly sometimes infect the lungs of millions of people around the world. Now, it's normal in nature to have seasonal health conditions. It might be flu, and it would, depending on the weather, appear in certain countries or continents. But chemtrail cough appears to be affecting every continent at the same time. Now, this is all anecdotal. I haven't got the exact statistics to prove it, and I'm sure the exact statistics are being withheld. The important thing is, if you are suffering from chemtrail cough, chemtrail flu, chemtrail lung, these symptoms of persistent aggravated coughing, a cough that will not go away. Something seems to be either irritating your lungs or infecting your lungs. And not only that, it can go from the lungs to be like a flu-like heaviness across the body, like flu, headaches, sinus conditions, chesty coughs, sinus pressure, and really aching all over. These all seem to be symptoms that come under the umbrella of chemtrail cough. So I'm not really getting into the politics of it. All I can do is try to find a solution, and I've been doing that over a number of years. I originally started to treat the condition with great success with 3 herbal extracts, and what I did was I added them to, we needed to get the herbs into the lungs without damaging your body. So I put them in very concentrated plant extracts in steaming water and inhaled vapors, and that worked really well. What it also appears to do, and it promotes, just for a short term, it promotes coughing for you to clear and get out of your lungs whatever it is that's in there. As I say, whether it's particles, heavy metals, chemicals, who knows what's in there, but to coagulate it into the mucus and phlegm and get it out. And that's what these 3 herbs do. It's very simple to use. Now, what I have done as I've progressed with my research, I've found 4 specific homeopathic remedies which I've added to these plant extracts. And these help to soothe the lungs, take any pain and inflammation out, helps to promote the coagulation, helps to clear the lungs, reducing the inflammation, reducing any infection, and getting it out. It normally takes a few days and you'll feel so much better. The formula is called Chemtrail Cough Formula, and it's very simple and easy to use. It's helped thousands of people from Australia, right through Asia, right through Europe, North America, South America. It's helped people around the world. It's very simple and easy to use. If you want to know more about it, to know what the herbs are, what the homeopathic ingredients are, and how simple it is, and all about the money back guarantee and all of that, just click the button below the video, and I look forward to helping you. Bye for now.